Hello foodie, today I will show you how to make the Vietnamese caramelized pork loin. This is the best dish I think people will like when you do the pork. And here's how I cook it. So you can choose the pork loin, the cutlet, with the very tender and with some fat on the pork like this. So it will make the meat juicy and tenderloin. So this is what I use. And now you just marinate the pork loin. You prepare some of the mint salad and with all the spice that you use for other Vietnamese cooking as well. Just some stock, chicken stock or pork stock that you call bouillon, some pepper, some salt, some chili powder, and some turmeric powder for the color, to extra color, and some little of sugar and oil, and also fish sauce as well. Then you just mix well with with some mint salad. You stir well, mix well together everything, and you leave it about 15 to 20 minutes. Then you can cook. And after marinating, you pan fry the pork. I use the wood cooking, so you just pan fry about 2 minutes both sides for it to cook a bit. And then you can add the hot water in. Just simmer it down, and you can turn upside down when you're cooking, and just leave it cooking. And then you prepare the caramelized sugar. You have some sugar and stir fry until you see the nice color, brown nice color, and then you add hot water in. Then you have the caramelized sugar, and then you add in the tenderloin pork. You simmer again until it reduce. While you simmer, you also turn upside down every 2-3 minutes, and then when it reduce, you just keep turning until it dry. Also you can add the spring onion in for flavor. This how it look like when it's almost cooked. Very nice color. And now you keep turning and again until it's dry. And this is what I make it. So it look very nice natural color, and the taste is very tender, the meat juicy and very nice. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you can make it at home. You can put any comment to ask what you like to know about Vietnamese cooking. I will tell you all the best.